Today I'm giving you the Cheapskate's Guide to Healthy Eating. People have this misnomer that to eat healthy, you have to spend a lot of money on groceries, and that is just not true. So I'm sharing 10 tips today on how to save money on your grocery bill and still eat healthy. Number one, buy frozen vegetables. Frozen vegetables can be cheaper than fresh vegetables. They also have more nutrients than fresh vegetables because frozen vegetables are picked and packed and frozen usually the same day versus vegetables that are fresh have been picked and shipped a long way. I mean, it could be a couple of weeks that these vegetables have been sitting out, losing nutrients. So fresh versus frozen, I would get frozen vegetables. They are cheaper and healthier. And a lot of times they're quicker because you always have them on hand. Don't buy pre-cut vegetables. Guys, this is a huge waste of time, but it's the number one seller in the grocery stores, the pre-cut fruits and vegetables. Time yourself. Really, it literally takes 5 minutes to cut up fruits and vegetables. It doesn't take that long. You could do it on a Sunday and get them all cut up for the week, or you could just take a couple of minutes every day and do it. But the price for pre-cut is so significantly higher that it's really not worth your time to buy them pre-cut. The only caveat to that would be baby carrots. Baby carrots are always 99 cents a pound here, so I would say that is one pre-cut vegetable that is worth you buying that's already done up for you. The next thing is shredded lettuce or lettuce packages. First of all, those packages of lettuce go bad quicker than regular lettuce, and they are significantly more expensive buying the pre-cut up lettuce. Guys, please stop buying that and just cut up your own lettuce. It really doesn't take that long. If you leave your lettuce in the wrapper, my mom discovered this, it will last almost 3 weeks. If you leave your lettuce in the original wrapper, that will last a whole lot longer in your refrigerator than leaving it out of the wrapper. Cook your meat all at once. Cook a roast, and you're not having leftovers, you're pre-cooking for the next meal. So I will cook one roast and cook 3 or 4 dinners out of that. I will make beef and noodles, I will make fajitas, I will make barbecue beef out of it. Guys, our Dining on a Dime cookbook, volume 1, 25% off right now. In the description below, we have all of these recipes to help you use up all of your meat so that you're not wasting money throwing food away. Also, if you want more tips, we have how to use leftover roast on our website. We have all the recipes for you to use up leftover roast. That link is in the description below. The next thing is cook your chicken at once. I will cook a big chicken and roast a chicken, and I will use that roast chicken for 4 or 5 meals also. I will make chicken and noodles, I will make chicken fajitas, I will make shepherd's pie, chicken sandwiches, chicken salad, anything that you could use shredded chicken for. I just cook a whole chicken at once, and then I don't have to cook my meat for the next 3 or 4 nights at least, or I will cook the meat and then put it in the freezer in little packets and then just pull out one of those packets, and that will make my dinners quick and easy. Don't make complicated meals. Just serve your meat with baby carrots and a fruit or rice or potatoes. Don't make these huge salads, huge complicated dinners. I really don't spend more than 15 to 20 minutes cooking any of my meals. I just don't have the time or the energy. I'm tired at night. By the time 5 o'clock rolls around, I don't feel like spending a lot of time cooking. I'm a lazy, tired cook. So, what do? I just make simple meals. I will make a roast with baked potatoes and some carrots, literally a 5-minute meal to prepare. I will do a roast chicken, and I'll have some rice and some cut up cucumbers. So keep your meals simple. And the next thing is use items like oatmeal as substitutes for expensive cereals, unhealthy cereals that have a lot of sugar. Go ahead and eat your oatmeal. It's super quick and easy to make, but you can make so many varieties. I have an old video on add-ins for oatmeals. I will put that link in the description below for you, but you can add in all kinds of things. Also in our Dining on a Dime cookbook, I have the same list for oatmeal add-ins. So if you have our volume 1 of Dining on a Dime cookbook, guys, actually, hey, I'm just gonna give it to you for free right now. If you go in the description, the link for our Dining on a Dime volume 1 ebook is in there. Use the code DINING1, DINING1, and you will get that ebook for free, just so you can find all of those oatmeal add-ins. Please go watch this video next on how to save more on your grocery bill, and visit us at livingonadime.com for free recipes and tips on how to save money and eat healthy.